everybody and welcome to a new video. My name is Mint and today we are going to have a very special LOL doll wedding. And who's the bride, you ask? Well, we don't know yet. We are going to choose a bride from the LOL Surprise Confetti Pop Series 3 Wave 1 or from LOL Surprise Confetti Pop Series 3 Wave 2. We are gonna open these two toys. We are going to choose one bride from either the LOL Confetti Pop Wave 1 or the LOL Confetti Pop Wave 2. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see which sisters are here and which is going to be the precious bride. And we are all invited to the wedding. Let's go, it's going to be amazing. I am super sure of that. Let's start by opening the LOL Surprise Confetti Pop Wave 1. Are you ready for layer number 1? This is a secret message. Let me know in the comments what do you think this means. We have a kitty and we have a little girl. What do you think this means? Yay! Second layer. No way! This is the sticker. The doll color changes, speeds, mystery, tingles, and cries. Or cries. This is layer number 3. Woo! Oh my god, it's a golden ball. This is going to be a super special bride. Let's take the instructions out. And this is the tattoo. And let's go ahead, I can't wait. And open, let's put the sticker here. And open the doors. 1, 2, 3. And the last one before we pop. Here. Are you ready? 1, 2, and... Wow! Confetti! Doll confetti! Let's take the doll and more confetti. It's time to open these goodies. And now let's see which one we open first. Are you ready? Ooh, it's a baby bottle with red top. Let's open this one. Ooh, wow, amazing. I really wanted this doll. I love it. Let's open this one. Let me know in the comments if you already know which doll we are getting. Hi, super cute red shoes. Let's open this one and leave the doll for last. Glasses, so I can see you better. And now the doll. Are you ready? So cute! I love it! I love it! Wow, she's so fancy, so beautiful. I think she's already color changing. Really cute. Let's dress her up. And this is the doll. Super beautiful. She is so ready for the wedding, but we need to make her Or maybe the other doll, a really big and beautiful dress, but she is super fancy, super beautiful, and she is color changing already. Can you see? She is black tie and she color changes from the Glam Club, and she is ultra rare. And now it's time to open the last doll that we have today from the LOL Surprise Confetti Pop Wave 2 and see which of the two dolls is going to be our beautiful bride today. Let's open layer number 1. This is a secret message. Let me know in the comments what do you think this means. Let's open layer number 2. This is the sticker. Let's open the last layer super fast. This is the tattoo. Let's take the instructions out. Let's take the other sticker. And let's open the doors. First, 1, 2, 3, nothing. 4. And let's take this out, and I think that's it. So let's pop 1, 2, and 3. I love it. So much confetti. These are the instructions, the collector's guide. These are all the goodies we got today. So let's open the very first one and see what we got. So cute, so cute. I love it. These are the shoes. They come with socks. It's a cap. And now for the doll. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I love her. The hair, the hairstyle. I love the eyes, the freckles. Let's dress her up. And this is the doll, completely dressed. She is shortstop, she cries or color changes, and she's popular. These are the two dolls we got today, and we need to choose one that is going to become our beautiful, beautiful bride. Which one should we choose? Should we choose black tie or shortstop? Let's go! So cute! She is ready for her wedding dress. Yes, I am. Meow.
Don't fall behind, I wanna show you what you missed